वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एन एमेनिटी किट दैट इज़ एक्चुअली अ पाउच of personal care items that you get from airlines, during long haul or international flights for business and first class passengers. Now I got quite a few because I asked the flight attendant if I could take few goodies along with me on my international flights, and they were kind enough to give me all these goodies. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is how it looks. It says business class on it, and you can open the kit, use it while you're on the flight to take care of yourself. They are usually sealed, and you have to break open the seal to use the goodies inside of them. I actually opened one of them, and it includes socks, toothpaste, toothbrush, eye mask, and loads of other things. So let's see what's inside of it. This is actually a face soap that you can use for your face and your hands during your long flights. These are actually noise reduction earplugs that are used to protect your ears against loud noises, and you can use them while you sleep as well. These are your generic black headphone cushion pads for your headphones. And socks to keep you warm and cozy. These are some sleeping mask or eye mask, if you will. This will block the light, and it will help you protect the skin around the eyes and will prevent puffiness as well. This is the toothbrush kit. It comes with a toothbrush, a toothpaste, and a mint for that extra freshness. The bag or the pouch that you get are of extremely good quality, so if you want, you can reuse them. You can use it to carry your toiletries. You can also use it for your makeup bag as well. So with this, we come to an end, and if you like my video, please do not forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.